Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is toad in the hole. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. And don't worry, we're not using real toads. Although I think my mother used to when I was a kid, the way it tasted when she used to make it. What do you mean the cooking couldn't have been that bad? It was worse. Okay, first we make the batter. Put the flour, eggs, milk, mustard and salt into a jug, and using a blender, blend into a fine batter. How hard can that be? Next, in a suitably sized oven-proof dish, put the 3 tablespoons of oil and whisk off to a preheated 120°C oven to get smoking hot while you prep the sausages. And to prep the sausages couldn't be easier. Put a splash of oil in a frying pan and fry the sausages till they take on some colour. Then when the oven-proof dish and oil are smoking hot, remove from the oven and add the sausages, before pouring over the batter. As you can see, the batter starts to cook and sizzle as soon as it hits the hot oil. Then it's back off to the oven for a further 15 to 20 minutes until the sausages are cooked through and the batter is nice and crispy and brown. There you have it, toad in the hole. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.